Hello all. In this video we are going to look at overloaded constructor. We already saw how overloaded function works. The overloaded constructor also works the same way. So since the constructor takes parameters and overloading is based on the parameters passed to your function, we can overload the constructor also. So we can use the same three rules like number of parameters, order of parameter, type of parameters. So based on that we will overload the constructor also. So since we already saw the function of overloading, here we will directly dig into an example. So in this example we created a class called numbers with 3 integer variables. So the numbers class declares 3 members x, y, z. Then we have 3 constructor. The first version of the constructor takes a single parameter and initializes all 3 members with the positive parameter value. The second version takes 3 parameters and initializes the value with those 3 parameters. That means all internal members may have different values as part of the initialization. The third one is the default parameter. The default constructor, so which initializes all the members x, y, z to 1. Then we have a method called print that will print the x, y, z value. So in the main method we have a 3 code snippet, and in each snippet we use different constructor. So for example, in snippet 5, if we want to create an object with all members having the initial value of 1, we will use the default constructor. Here at line number 4, numbers n1 equal to new numbers. And if you see here, we are constructing the object without any parameter. That means it lands up into the constructor which is defined between the line 19 and 23. In code snippet 6, we create the object by passing a single integer value to the constructor. The value is 4. That means it calls the first version of our constructor which runs between line number 7 and 11. Here we initialize all the member with the value of 4. So when we print, it will print x, y and z having the value of 4. So in the last part, we are creating an object and passing 3 values to the constructor. That means the entry will have x, y, z with different values. That means x will hold the value of 8 and y will hold the value of 9 and z will hold the value of 10. Okay, we will explore this in Eclipse. So here is the Eclipse, and we have 2 classes. One is the main class. We already saw this in slide, and here is our member class. The member class has 3 internal members x, y, z. Then there is a first version of constructor which takes 1 parameter, second version takes 3 parameter, and third version is the default constructor. After that, we have a method called print, which prints the internal members x, y, z. So here in the main class, we kept a breakpoint, and we will debug and see how it works. If you see here, this will land into the default constructor. So initializes all member xyz to 1. Then in next line we are printing something out here. So xyz is printed. Then we are calling the second version. It lands into a single parameter constructor and initializes the value with passed in value all. That means x will have 4, y, z all will have 4. Now if you see, n2 is initialized with all 4, and when we print we will get x, y, z as 4. This time it calls the correct version of the constructor and initializes the internal members with the passed in values. So it prints 8, 9, 10 in the output. So constructor overloading also possible. So it is similar to how we overloaded our methods previously. So the same way we can overload the constructor also. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe it. Thanks again. Bye.